guys, today we have this copper glitter eye look. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it, probably that. And I gotta go take care of my baby, huh? So let's just get started. Okay, so for starters, I'm gonna take my Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer, all over the eyelids. I'm gonna be using a couple different palettes because the look that I wanna do, I don't have all of the colors in one single palette. So for starters, I'm taking my Violet Voss Ride or Die palette, and I'm gonna take this nudie color and using a big fluffy brush to just buff this all over my eyelid to set my eyeshadow primer. Then in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be taking this burnt orange shade with a big fluffy blending brush. I'm using my Morphe R37, and I'm gonna be buffing this all over the crease and taking it out quite far, going back and forth with it like this. And I'm lightly pressing so that we can get the best blend possible. As you can see, I'm taking this pretty far out on the outer corners right here, too. All right, now I'm taking my Morphe M441 and my Tartist Pro Amazonian clay palette, and I'm just gonna be really building that color and packing it on my outer corner, all the way into my crease and up in my inner third. Right now I'm taking my Morphe R37, the same brush that we used for the burnt orange shade, and I'm not really adding any more product. I'm just running over the top here to make sure that there's no harsh lines and that everything is really blended out. Going back into my Violet Voss palette, I'm gonna be taking Scarlett right here with my Morphe M518. Put this all over my lid. Then I'm gonna be going in with the NYX Glitter Glue. This is their glitter primer. This stuff is awesome. And I'm taking a flat brush and I'm just putting a little bit on my, I don't know what that area of my hand is called, but that's where I'm putting it. Dipping it in, and I'm just pretty much gonna be putting this all over where I just put that other shade. I'm going in with the NYX Glitter Brilliance. This one, oh my god. Okay. Just got glitter everywhere. Okay, anyways, I gotta work a little faster. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my NYX Glitter Pigments. This one is in the shade Copper. And I tried to pour just a little bit in here, but like, I don't know if you can see that. My lid fell off and it just got glitter everywhere, so I don't know what to do. Pretty much, I just don't know what to do. This is like the prettiest freaking glitter. Right, and this is a little trick I learned for glitter fallout. You get some regular Scotch tape and like super gently just boop, all over your face. And it literally gets rid of it, like it doesn't spread it around or anything, it just, you're done. Yoo-hoo! All right, now the only thing, this part gets a little tricky because putting liner on top of glitter can be a pain in the ass. But we're gonna do it anyways. We have the NYX Black Matte Black Liner. Being super careful. Helps if you just work in like little chunks at a time. This is my first time using this eyeliner on top of glitter, and it's actually working really nicely. Like, it's not as hard as it normally is. eyeliner on top of glitter, you do kind of have to work a little bit slower than normal. You can't just like, not that I could ever do that anyway, but you have to like make sure that each little piece of glitter gets covered by the black, or else it's gonna look splotchy. Hooray! So now I'm gonna switch on over to working on the face, and for the face I do need to moisturize because my face has been going through some stuff. For the eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Dipbrow. I'm feeling it today. In the shade Dark Brown, and my number 12 Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. Dipping in. I just did an eyebrow tutorial, so I'm not gonna go too in depth with this. So I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Concealer. This is, again, in Shell Beige. I just got that all in my eyebrow. Taking my my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and that was a cute little song. And blend her out. Get it. Alright, and then I'm gonna going in with my Air Spun Loose Face Powder. Morphe R2 in my Butter Bronzer. Then my Morphe R10, going in with the deep contour shade of my Loreal Contour Pro palette. Back in with the R10 to blend it out. R2 to blend it out. Then taking my Morphe M550, my Milani Baked Blush. I'm tired of saying this incorrectly, so there you go. Breakfast. Going back into the Violet Voss palette and the Morphe M432. I'm gonna go into Stephanie right here. It's kind of like this glittery poop color. No, I'm just kidding. It's like a really pretty like bronze. And I'm gonna take that on my lash line. And my waterline. Then going back in with Scarlett and putting this right on top almost. Blending it down. I am gonna blend this pretty far down, just because we do have like the glitter on top, and I don't want it to just be like, kind of want it to be. Does that make sense? No, that made no sense. But I'm not a scientist. I don't know the science behind it. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna throw a quick coat of mascara on using my Covergirl Lash Blast mascara. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my lashes. These are the Eylure Opulent lashes. Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark. She like literally rolled, turned her butt in my direction just to fart. I'm taking some of my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I just plopped some white on the inner corner, and I'm just gonna blend that out. My Morphe M213. This is kind of just gonna act as a base for our highlight because I'm feeling it today. Going back into the Violet Voss Ride or Die palette, I'm gonna take this pink shimmer shade. This is Isabelle. And I'm gonna put that right in our corner on top of where we just put that NYX. It kind of just works to give us like the best payout that we can get for this. Highlight, of course, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills M Resi highlight and my Morphe M510. And then for lips, for my lips, I'm gonna take my NYX Liquid Suede. This is cream lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. I don't know what to call this look. I don't know what to call this look. Alright, and that is it. If you guys did enjoy this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe, share with your friends. I would really appreciate it. Your support means a lot to me. And until next time, bye.